Welcome to 18th Biennial International Conference. To register, create your account by putting in your details. To log in, please enter your registered email. This will take you to the home page. In order to view the scientific session agenda, click on the scientific session. In order to view any desired session, click on live sessions and choose your hall accordingly to the scientific agenda. To view stalls, click on the exhibition hall. To chat with attendees, click on the live chat. Registered and online members can be viewed by clicking on the attendee button. Use the help button to report an issue or if any help is required.